Welcome to another how-to video, how to change the Google Form owner. Hey everyone, today let me show you how you can change the Google Form owner. So first, go to the search bar and type in Google Forms. While you are in a search tab, click Google Forms, Online Form Creator, etc. While you are on a Google form, click Sign In. Choose any form you want, like mine, which is a blank quiz. While you are in a form, click the three dots beside Send, and then click Add Collaborators, and then just add anyone you want to add to become a Google Form owner. Like mine, I like to add Joven, so I will type in his Gmail, click Send, click again on the three dots beside Send, and click Add Collaborators again. While you are in the Add Editors tab, click Editor beside the one you want to add, and then click Transfer to Ownership, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.